No call tea drunk or the for me there. Cause she thinks say me afraid of she. Tea girl, a New York you there. A Brooklyn me there and you there at the Bronx. Me hear say you cuss me out, right? Why delete the live idiot girl? Why you always doing live and then delete it? Who does that? You block me. You block my backup page. But yet, you're still watching me. I don't understand you, idiot girl. Me not understand you. Why blocking a person? And why doing a live and then delete it? Talking about the person and then delete it. You're a punk ass. That's what you are. Me here say, you want to come string me up? Idiot girl. Idiot girl Tina Chain. Are you me a chat to? Idiot drunk crow. Remember say your address is on the internet, you know. Remember say a New Jersey you bake, you know, you do your business, you know. You forget that? Cool drunk crow. Why do a live and then delete it? Fool. Idiot stupid girl. When I have no sense. You need to go to a dentist. Look at your rotten teeth them. So apparently you probably mad about the post that I make about your dirty cake. I know me said. It's your customer said it. It's not me. So why you come for me then? We're not friends. You don't like me and I don't like you. Right? So if it wasn't true, why you get so upset and accuse me? I know me said. I know me buy your cake. It's a customers that said it, right? But yet you want to come for me. Eh? Look at you. You think that me can't look like you? Look at you, Tina. You're so insecure, your blood safe. You have to run, go do your fucking body, and you still not look good. Cause look at you right now. Without those heap of makeup, you definitely don't look good, T-girl. You don't. Me don't know who a fool you. Look at you. You look so raggedy. And you want to cuss decent people like me? You think me could have ever post a picture like this on the internet? Looking like this? Are you crazy? The time you on the fucking internet cussing people left, right, and center, you need to go drive to North Carolina and be with your sick daughter. That's what you need to go do, idiot fucking girl. A Brooklyn me there, and where you there? In the fucking Bronx. Come beat me. You so bad and mighty. Come beat me, idiot girl. I can pop up to New Jersey right now. Because you have your fucking address on the internet. You think I'm Gracie? You think I'm 369? You don't even know me, bitch. Why you get so fucking upset because I post something on my page? You walking around making problems with people, but yet you have your address up. Are you a stupid ass? I mean you had for dirty germs. You do a live about me, but yet you delete it. Who does that? You're a weak ass bitch. That's what you are, Tina girl. Tea-drunker, rotten tea girl, cool girl. Go look about your fucking cancer daughter. This is what I post, and it gets you so fucking mad. That means you're fucking true. Customer said your cake ain't good. Your cake ain't good. If that wasn't true, why you so mad? And accost me. And I me say it. You acting like I me say it. I just post it, right? I mean that even they said nothing bad about it. But yet, you have your dirty followers, them over there, probably a screenshot, or probably you yourself are watch me. But you block me. You block my regular page, you block my backup page, but yet, you're still watching me drunk, crow. Dry head, drunk, crow, go do your hair. Go do something. Because apparently you don't look good. Without those slip and makeup, you don't look good, Tina. You forgot the type of work my husband do, right? You probably forgot. Every time you come on the live and cuss out people, you delete the live. What's the point? What's the point? You're blocking the person, but yet you cuss out the person. Means that you're a weak ass bitch. An internet strength you only have. You think I'm afraid of you? Who does that? Who do a live? Who do an hour live about a person and then delete it? And then delete it. I ain't got no time for go on my damn fake page and watch you because you're not important, to be honest. I just posted that shit on my page because the customers say your cake is dry and it don't taste good. So why you get upset? Why you get upset and coming and accost me? Go accost the customer. Don't accost me. I know me buy your cake and throw it away. I know me do that. I never even talk bad about the cake or nothing. I just post it and says a customer say her cake is dry, but yet you come on my page, you have some dirty ass followers, screenshot it, or you probably come over my page and see it, right? But yet you block me. Why you watching me, but yet you block me? Who does that? That means that you're a stalker then. You don't block a person and then you go on your fake page and I watch the same person that you block. You tell me afraid of you? Your daughter need your attention like right now. Your daughter need your attention. Your grandkids need your attention. Go over there. Go to North Carolina. And get off the damn internet with your stupid ass self. Boy, you want to come beat me. Come beat me now. That's what you need to come do. Come to Brooklyn. You know Brooklyn people ain't play. Come to Brooklyn, idiot girl. You never would have make it back to Bronx. That me I tell you. You look so disgusting. You live in New York. There's even if you don't have insurance, you could get free insurance. Go take care of those rotten ass teeth. The time you going to the doctor, go do breast and body, whenever go do your teeth them. Pull out those rotten teeth. Eh? I mean, you have strength for? When Michelle and Lauren are done you come out for them, right? But a little Barbisha you want come for. We don't have followers, right? A little person like me you want come for? We don't even have followers? Idiot girl? Come to Brooklyn if you name Tina Chin. Idiot girl. You have so many fucking haters on the internet, but yet you have your workplace address up on the internet. How stupid are you? Play with me. Play with me, idiot girl. Play with me. You think I'm the one that's gonna go back and forth with you? I'm not. I'm definitely not gonna do that. I will do shit. That is why I don't come on the internet, you know. That is why I don't do life like that. Because I know I'm a fucking hothead. And my husband is worse, he's a hothead. Who afraid of you? But you want to come string me up. You want to come string me up like me afraid of you. Eh? Go string up your mom and your pooper. Go look about your pooper in a nursing home. Idiot girl. We take away your pooper $5,000 if you go do body. Go pay back your blood clot pooper. You mean a nursing home dying. And I mean if you cuss, go cuss your customer. You have her number, you post her number, right? You post the conversation that you and the customers have. Go cuss her, no cuss, no come cuss me. Me never do nothing to you. But I'm me who don't have fucking strength for, right? Because I'm new. I'm not even fucking a blogger. I'm not even a fucking blogger, right? Me just festive in a comment section, but yet you no want single me out and cuss me out. For what? For what, girl? I told me look better than you. Coming off a plaster my blood clot face with the whole heap of makeup and think me look good. But I'm pretty. I'm so pretty. That's why they're coming from you. Which part are you pretty idiot, girl? Without those hip heavy makeup. Because they coming like they're so afraid to tell the truth or something. You tell me afraid of you? Me hear people say, T-girl I done you. T-girl I done you. I was so shocked. Me overdoing live just now being festive in the comment section. The plankers them say, T-girl adored me. Me say, really? Really now? By the time you go over her page, she delete the fucking live. For what? You so bad. You so bad, Tina. Why you delete the live? You shouldn't delete it. Why you delete it? Because you know something gonna come for you. Right? You know that. He's a sad individual. To be honest, you're very sad. He's a weak ass punk. But anytime you see Barbisha, I'm gonna string her. Come string me up, T-girl. I wish. Come to Brooklyn. And I can drive to New Jersey. Come. Because I'm ready for you. So why are you so bitter against me? I want to know why. I really want to know why. Because I used to be over your page, right? And that's why the fucking plankers them don't like me, because I used to be over your page. I support you. That's why Pants Mode don't like me too, because I used to be over your page. I know you want to turn against me, idiot girl. We used to support you. Me want to know why you're so bitter against me, because one time you buy a cupcake, I never get me tracking number. That's why you're so damn mad. From that time, guys, I'm telling you, when me did buy a cupcake them, and me see the bitch, they are Jamaica, enjoy herself. And me say, blood clot, about 2 weeks now, me buy her cake. Going on 3 weeks. I not get no tracking number. And somebody post and say, somebody make a comment and say, it's been a month and they don't get a tracking number for their cake. And me comment another person post and said, I don't get any tracking number either. And she saw that. What you cuss me for? What me do you? Cause I posted the cupcake. Me know if a cupcakes or cakes. The customer posts it, right? And I repost it on my page. And you are come for me? I know me if you come for Tina. And the customer, then if you got chat, if you got cause, I know me if you come cause. What you cuss me for? Cause I repost it on my page? You're so bitter towards every fucking body. That's why I don't know if you have real friends in a real life, to be honest. Cause you mad at everybody. Me wish me could have heard that the life there, to be honest. Cause I just see the people that might comment section say she want to fight you and she this and she that. Where you want to fight me for? Come a Brooklyn me there.